Madam Vice President, because those words were uttered
Madam Chair.
by
Madam
someone.
Chair.
I just
Just because you don't like my answer, you don't like how I answer, you don't like my demeanor, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ako sumasagot.
And that's the reason why, Madam Chair,
So,
I asked
okay.
for the point of clarification.
yes. So again, I had.
now that the
pwede lang
Vice-
po sana.
now that the
Sandali
Vice
lang po.
President-
Sandali lang po, para hindi po tayo nagsasabay-sabay, merong clarification na hiningi at nag-clarify naman po ako. Wala pong plano. Kasi kanina, very clear ang sinabi naman po, there was a plan. Stick to the plan. Wala rin po ako natatandaan. I kept saying, let us all stick to the issues, which is the budget. So yun na lang po. Let's just end here and so that we can move on.
Yes, Madam Chair,
Kung
if I
pwede lang
may.
po sana, let's move on.
Lastly,
Meron pa pong isang budget pagkatapos nito.
Lastly, that's the reason why I asked for a point of clarification. The point of clarification is to be clarified by the resource person. And if that is the answer of the good Vice President, I will accept that her intention is not to involve everybody on a collective
Yes,
attack on
and
her
we're
budget.
happy with that
And I'm happy
clarification.
on the answer of the Vice President. But, of course, I just wanted to review the anyway, thank you so much, Madam
Right,
Chair.
salamat.
Madam Chair,
So yes,
a
Madam
point
Vice
of
President.
clarification is understandable if you want to be clarified of the words I uttered. I did not say collective action. I did not say
Yes,
conspiracy
it has
theory.
been made clear,
I did not
Madam
say
Vice President.
I'm being attacked by the committee. Hindi naman nanggaling sa akin yun. So anong ika-clarify ko doon?
Yes, ma'am, noted po. It had been
Yung
loud and clear
script
po.
kasi nagkakabuhol-buhol na yung script.
Let's now proceed.
Chair.
Let's now proceed. If-
Madam Chair, just an inquiry from this representation. May I ask if this is a budget hearing on the budget of the OVP, or is this a committee investigation already?
This is a budget briefing by the Office of the Vice President. And with that clarification, let us move on to the next member, our Honorable
Madam
Vice Chair.
Madam
Adam
Chair,
P.
I request a restroom break 1 minute. Thank you.
Briefing suspended.